Hello, welcome to Brenton's top load case packer demo. My name's Sam Weller. I'm the business segment manager for robotics and systems here at Brenton. We offer simple to complex solutions by offering you robotic or conventional top load case packing systems. Top load case packers can range from the very simple to the very complex. Here at Brenton, we have the ability to customize the machines to your particular needs. In this video, we will be showing you a very high-speed, continuous motion, robotic top-load case packer. These particular bottles do not stand on their own, so they are transferred through the machine on pucks. These pucks are divided into lanes and manipulated into the correct pattern needed to go into the case. With the continuous motion design and 4 total robots loading, we are able to achieve a rate of over 70 cases per minute. The robots sequentially take the product out of the moving pucks and transfer them into the cases. Once the pucks are empty, they are recirculated back through the filling system and eventually back into our machine. As the cases are filled, they continue through the gluing and compression area of the machine. We can also offer printing and labeling integration into this type of machine as needed. This machine is 100% full auto changeover with the push of a button on the HMI, which can be offered as an option for any of our types of case packers. The robots automatically change end-of-arm tools by reaching behind themselves into a staging area to detach the tool that they have and attach to the next end-of-arm tool needed. The machine in this video is a fully integrated robotic top-load cartoner. The product is received at a rate of 160 syringes per side per minute. As the product comes down the conveyor, it is swept into a servo-driven flighted racetrack. Once a section of the racetrack is full of product, it is presented to a FANUC LR-mate robot. That robot will pick the product and place layers into the waiting carton. These cartons have been preformed upstream by pulling them out of a magazine and plunging them down into the carton flights. Once the correct amount of layers are put into the carton, it moves to the next station where the product is tamped down, and then to a station where literature is added. The final station while in the flights is where the sealing of the carton happens. On this particular machine, when the carton leaves the cartoner, it is transferred onto a takeaway conveyor where it is labeled, check weighed, and then the label is verified. If the label is not readable or the weight is not correct, that carton will be rejected. This type of machine could be used for many kinds of applications, such as candy bars or other flow wrap products similar to what is shown in this video. Top-load case packers can come in many shapes and sizes. Here's an example of a very custom Brenton solution to handle an extremely difficult product. By partnering with our customer, we were able to solve a problem that they had been trying to solve for many years. If you are struggling to find a solution for an automation problem, we would love to help you. The top-load case packer shown in this video is meant to be used with a separate case erector and separate top sealer. We typically use Wexar case erectors and Belcor top sealers in this type of application. Product is received on the incline conveyor at a metered rate. Just prior to entering the machine, FANUC IR vision is used to pinpoint the location of that product on the conveyor. As the product continues into the machine, a FANUC M3IA Delta robot accurately picks the product on the fly by using the coordinates that have been fed to it from the vision system. It then places each product onto the vacuum shuttle table in the correct orientation needed to make the pattern to go into the case. Once a layer is complete, the shuttle table moves out towards a FANUC LR-mate robot equipped with vacuum tooling. This robot picks the layer and places it into a waiting case. Notice the angled move of the LR-mate as it moves into the case. This alleviates the need for a funnel system to get the product into these cases. Once the case is full, a pair of air cylinders meter out the full case and allow an empty case to move into position to be filled. On any of our robots that require changeovers of tooling, we offer either a semi-automated changeover or a fully automated solution. With either of these options, we provide tool carts on wheels that can be rolled into place so no heavy lifting is required. As you can see in this video showing the semi-automated changeover process, the operator is required to only remove the bolts and unhook the air and electrical connections. Once that is complete, the guard doors will be shut and the robot will be allowed to move over the other rack and align with that tooling. The operator will then reconnect everything and the robot will be ready to run your next SKU. The fully automated version of this only requires the operator to verify the correct end of arm tooling is in place on the rack and then initiate the changeover by pushing a button on the HMI. The robot will take care of the rest. One of our regional sales managers, Eric Miller, will now walk you through our top-load case pack solutions.
Hi, I'd like to walk you through one of our most recent and unique top-load case packing applications. This machine was designed to load frozen dough balls in a newly erected RSC case. Top-load case packing solutions are ideal for handling complicated products, and this solution for frozen dough is the perfect example. In this overhead view of the machine, you see the dough leaving the flighted incline conveyor where each piece is counted before dropping into the loading buckets. By counting the dough as it feeds the loading bucket, we are able to ensure that the correct amount is placed in each case prior to settling and sealing. I'd like to walk you through another one of our most recent top-load case packer applications. This one was designed to load jugs into newly erected RSC cases. This is the L1000 model, our most compact footprint top-load case packer. In this shot, you can see the gantry head gripping the jugs by both the handle and cap to ensure a solid grip. This allows us to gently handle your product by positively controlling the placement of it into the case before heading to the case sealer. Conventional gantry-style case packers offer the most compact footprint, which can easily be dropped into an existing line. Make sure you follow us on social media for an upcoming teaser of our new top-load case packer coming fall of 2021. With a new design driven by customer insights and feedback, we'll be marrying together traditional and robotics to deliver a new machine model. Our new model will incorporate all customer touchpoints, including value through differentiation, efficiency of operation, and long-term support throughout the machine lifecycle.